In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use OneDrive's recycle bin within Office 365. Managing your files efficiently is crucial, and knowing how to restore or permanently delete them can save both time and stress. Let's dive into it. First, you need to log into your Microsoft account. This is the gateway to access all your Office 365 applications and services, including OneDrive. So, ensure you have your login credentials handy. Once you've entered your username and password, you'll be taken to your account's homepage. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the Apps Launcher, which you'll find in the top left corner of the screen. The Apps Launcher is your personal guide to a world of productivity tools, and OneDrive is just a click away from this menu. Click on it and a list of your available apps will appear. Next, locate and click on the OneDrive icon within this menu. OneDrive is not just a cloud storage service, it's your digital storage facility, neatly organizing your files and folders. Clicking on this icon takes you directly to your OneDrive files. Now, to access the recycle bin, you'll find its icon on your OneDrive interface, usually located in the left sidebar or at the bottom of your file list. Clicking on the recycle bin icon will display all the files and folders you've previously deleted from OneDrive. They remain here temporarily, allowing you the option to recover anything you might have mistakenly removed. Once inside the recycle bin, you can start scrolling to find any specific files or folders you wish to either restore or delete permanently. It's a good practice to regularly review these files, especially if you're running low on storage or realize you need something back. To make it official, you'll want to click on and select the files or folders you're interested in. Simply click on the checkboxes next to each item you want to manage. This is an intuitive way to handle multiple items at once efficiently. When you've selected your files, if your intention is to recover them, all you need to do is hit the Restore button. This action will send the selected files back to their original locations. It's a quick and seamless process, ensuring no data loss and saving you unnecessary hassle. Alternatively, if you're confident that certain files are no longer needed, you can choose to delete them permanently. Just click the Delete button. This will remove the selected files from your recycle bin, freeing up storage space and keeping your OneDrive tidy. In summary, managing your files through OneDrive's recycle bin is both straightforward and powerful. Whether restoring or permanently deleting, you hold the keys to efficient file management in your hands. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you seamlessly navigate through your digital workspace with OneDrive.